Welcome to one more internship opportunity. Internship is opening in the IBM organization. Okay, let's explore about this internship. Okay, this video we will cover this internship is eligible for 24-25 graduates. Is the IBM internship will convert to the full time? Is it a paid internship? And is application process easy? Okay, all this information we will cover in this video. This is an IBM internship program. In this internship, the candidates who are all hiring, they will to work alongside with the experienced researchers and security experts, cutting edge security topics. And you need in the collaborative projects that may include both internal IBM teams and external partners. So all these things as an intern you need to. Okay. Next, we can discuss about the qualifications and eligibility criteria. Okay. Qualification is one of the eligibility criteria. Here, the required qualifications are like BTech graduates. The preferred qualifications like MTech equivalents like PhD students, all those can apply to these internships. Okay. Eligible branches are like computer science, information science, those branches can apply, and IT are related disciplines. In the IT under AIML programs, like those kind of the branches also can apply to this internship. Branches, triple E branches, and telecommunication, medical, those branches also can apply to this internship. This internship is mainly focusing on the research and development security domain in the IBM. Okay. So if you did not watch our latest videos on the internship, please watch. Like we did the IBM internship also. This is for AI domain internships. Okay. If you like the content, please subscribe to our channel, Delightful Developers. How to apply to this position? Usually we will prefer to apply in the LinkedIn via referral process. But for this position, don't apply via LinkedIn referral, but because it does not directly apply via official website. Next, I will explain how to apply. So this is an application process. In this process, it is a three-step process. In the first step, we have pasted the official link in our video description. Please apply via that and you will get the email to your registered email, the candidate reference number. The subject of the email could be IBM recruitment no reply. The email ID is this one. Okay. After in that mail, please find any registration form you are getting. If you get a registration form, please fill that form. After you complete all these steps, then only your candidature will be considered for the. Okay. I will show how to apply to these internships and further more informations. You click on the link, it will navigate to here. The internship position name is Research Intern Security. This is an job code. Okay, here they are hiring as a summer internship program. The overall final year of branches like in the BE, BTech, MTech or PhD, those students can also apply for this internship program. It is a university relationship program. Okay, mainly the agenda is like campus to corporate internship will do. So here in the growth path, they specifically mention IR based on the performance. So they will convert to regular IR based on the performance. Okay. The skills required is Java, Python is any one of the coding language they are thing, and the data structure and algorithms and problem solving skills. This is a security program, so they are concerning about the cryptography, encryption, decryption, key management. These are all the different concepts that will help for the security role. Okay. The employment type they clearly mentioned it is in full time. So they are converting the intern position to full time if you perform well. Okay. To apply to this job, please click on this apply to jobs. Then it will open this page. Here you can apply via the LinkedIn portal also or via the Twitter also. Otherwise, you can create your own account and then apply. After this, please remember the three-step approach. First, you need to apply via this, and then you will receive in that mail. You can form the registration form. Please fill that and send that. Okay. So it's a three-step process. Please follow the steps. Please subscribe to this channel to support us and for same kind of content. Thanks for watching.